He knows what I mean.
We got the permit spot.
Yeah, like just, you know, when you start, just make sure it's, you know,
there and up.
Push it over and up.
Yeah.
And then, you know, give her like, you know, a little bit of a rev and then take off. And then fucking clutch second.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Fuck yeah, man. Yeah.
All the hatches up.
Oh, what the?
Less wind resistance.
Did none of us really open? Really notice that opened?
Probably. Oh, I gotta spray paint you too.
Yeah, man, I got a clear Aurora blank jersey.
Perfect. Oh, freaking rights, boys. Got the windshield wipers going relentless. Buddy's here, we're gonna freaking spray paint them. Oh, we're already getting her going? Nice. Holy.
Almost got off on it.
Oh, can we
Fucking
drop
right, man.
triangle potato on your back?
Go for it.
Nice.
Ready?
That's freaking awesome.
Ready to go?
Yep. Always wait for the hip hip.
That's right, man.
Always wait for the hip hip. Are you gonna ride shotgun, Mackie?
Buddy.
Oh, Mackie.
I'm scared we're at P.
Why? What happened?
I turned PC.
No, you're in with PC?
Yeah, I'm in with PC.
Oh, for crying out sacks. Oh, dick. Oh, that fell off. That's perfect. We definitely want that to fall off. Hey, that'd be great. Right on, man. So just friggin' wait for the hick.
Yeah, man.
It'll be friggin' awesome. Oh, we had to test it out a couple times. Not too bad. Not like too bad or anything. Where's Mecky? Where's Mecky? You gonna ride shotgun, Mecky? What? That's enough. Oh, oh, careful. Okay, friggin' rights, boys. Here we friggin' go. Hopefully he doesn't stall it. Hip, hip! Oh, dick. Oh, yeah. Oh, dick. Gunner. Friggin' gunner. Gunner! Gunner! Oh, good Lord. Son of a bitch. The airbag didn't even go off. Fuck. You alright?
Oh, yeah. A little bit of a jerk.
Son of a bitch. No.
Huh?
No.
Fucking pushed it pretty flat.
Whoa.
do a big friggin' experiment, but we'll come up with something else. This is gonna be awesome.
Yeah.
This is gonna be friggin' awesome, buddy.
All right.
So, yeah.
I'm gonna go this way a bit more.
Yeah, just a little bit more center. Just try to put like the center of the truck right in the center of the two doors, you know what I mean?
Yeah. All right.
It'll be friggin' awesome.
Hey,
wait
man.
for the hip hip.
All right.
Always wait for the hip hip. Oh, get myself into position here. Oh, dick. Friggin' drone. No get. I don't know what's going on with it. Don't have time to dick around. Beg with the pard. This is gonna be awesome, Mickey. You gonna ride shotgun? What? Friggin' race bus, here we go! Friggin' inwood, hip hip! Hey? Hip hip! Oh, dick. Friggin' sender. As fast as you can. There you go, there you go. Oh. Okay, take race. We'll give him a little pep talk. We gotta give him a little pep talk. Okay, this time
Third time's the charm,
yeah,
right?
third time's charm. Just fucking send her.
I'm gonna, man.
Okay, right on. Oh, wait for the hip hip. Oh, oh, fuck. Stupid drone. Stupid fucking drone. Oh, friggin' right, boys. Here we friggin' go. Hip hip. I'm just gonna stand right here the whole time. Spazzy cam! Hit the wood one! Oh yeah, turn the wheel! Oh, tires flying out of the back of it and shit. The airbags didn't still go off.
Oh, shit, man.
What happened?
Hey,
No.
I'm okay, though.
Did you bonk it?
Yeah, I bet the helmet helped me.
Oh, I bet. Good thing you weren't wearing the crappy Hockney one.
Yeah.
Hey, holy, that was a good one. Holy. Oh, Chucky bonked his planes. Chucky bonked his planes. Oh no.
Not bleeding over there.
Holy shit. Did you
No, I'm
get?
good.
No,
Did you get one?
No.
What
Let me
happened?
see your lip. Show him his lip. Just a
Little
little,
split, little bruise.
Little abrasion?
Hit my head here.
Oh no
Off
way.
the fucking steering wheel.
Oh,
You'll see it now.
Why didn't the airbag go off? That's less than ideal, eh?
Oh, shit, man. Hit my head.
No. good one, boys? Oh, we're gonna have to get somebody to jump this one again. This is my good one. Oh! Buddy! That was my good one! The door won't even shut or nothing. Oh, great. That's great. Oh, these are my good clamps too. My clamps. Friggin' expect it. Oh, good Lord. Yeah, it's hard to tell, eh? The friggin' 11 speeds, they don't want to go very fast. The drone's friggin' garbage. Got some slow-mo shots though, so hopefully that turned out. Try a couple things, you know what I mean? But yeah. Right on, you gonna light her up?
Better take it easy.
Oh, I apologize. Bumped your pliants.
Yeah. I didn't go that way and whip her back.
Very bad.
Down there.
How's it going, Chris?
Not too bad, what are you saying?
Want to go down there and come back this way?
Sure. You bessin'.
Carbureted. It's all over on 96. Gotta heat up a bit.
Got to get him to do a wheelie and then turn the wheel. Just do a dirty tank slapper. Just eat it in the gravel. What happened? Ah! Careful! Don't lay her down in the celery.
How's she going?
Not too bad, what are you saying?
Oh,